Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a crucial feature of Trello, enabling the comment editor power-up. This is incredibly practical for teams and individuals who want to streamline their communication and project management. First up, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Make sure you're on the home page. This is a basic but critical step because, well, you can't enable power-ups without being logged in, right? Now that we're logged in, let's move to the board where you want to enable the comment editor power-up. Click on the specific board and then go to the menu on the right-hand side. The reason we do this is that the power-up settings are unique to each board, so you can customize them as per the requirements of your individual projects. Next up, click on the Power-Ups button in the menu. This opens up a whole world of Trello enhancements, and we're just about to dive into it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello's power-ups are like plugins or apps that add different functionalities to your boards. Now you'll see a search bar in the power-ups window. Type in Comment Editor and hit Enter. You'll see the Comment Editor power-up in the results. Click on it to open the detailed view. This step is important because Trello offers a wide range of power-ups, and this is how you locate the one you need. Once you're in the Comment Editor Power-Up detail view, click on the green Enable button. And there you go. Your power-up is now enabled. Let me explain why this matters. The Comment Editor Power-Up allows you to edit comments after posting them, making sure your communication is clear and accurate. In case you're wondering how to use it, just go to a card, type a comment, and you'll see an Edit option next to it. This helps us because it gives us flexibility and control over our conversations and updates in Trello. So we've successfully enabled the Comment Editor Power-Up in Trello. Remember, clear communication is key in project management, and this power-up helps you achieve just that. And that's a wrap. Now go out there, make edits, and create some amazing projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.